Maganda na yung dala lahat. Kaysa may maiwan.
Hirap may maiwan.
How's your gising today?
Parang kompleto yung
Oo. Ilang oras tulog mo?
sleep at like midnight.
Oh, tamang-tama. And then you woke up at 4?
I woke up at 5.
Wow, at least 5 hours. Pareho lang tayo.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Are you ready for the rehearsals? Oh!
I'm excited to see her at the ground.
Yes.
You have time for Starbucks?
How does it feel like to wear this sash from Miss Universe? Yes.
So sad. Finally.
Yes, diba? You've been dreaming of this moment. Diba?
No, it's just an apartment nearby. But it's close to here. It's closer near, like 10 minutes walk.
At least you've been slaying your OOTD so far.
Yeah.
Oo.
Now you want to sleep.
Yeah.
Talagang ang fresh, ang dainty, ang bango-bango. Oh, she's leaving na!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Happy to black Harley.
Thank you. You're so kind.
Oh my God!